So I haven't been giving you guys updates on my daily account. And instead of going through, my stock market account or my dividend portfolio, I can obviously do that on my other channel. This would be great to go through crypto gains because I've been able to grow my BTCC account from $500 to over $5,000 in a matter of months. And I've only given you little bits and pieces, little tiny updates that we have here and there. And I think I want to take you through a daily update on where my account stands, if I decide to buy anything or if anything piques my interest on that day. So for today, it's going to start at day one at $5,000, wherever this balance actually is. We will show you guys, and that will be where our starting balance is, whether we are up or down on the previous day, and whether we're up or down like overall. So we'll figure out maybe a spreadsheet that we can bring forward, but this is day one, trial and error, try and figure this out. If you guys could, make sure you hit the like button and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. If you guys want to check out my link for Twitter down below, or if you guys want to sign up for the platform that I'm using, which is BTCC, feel free to check out that link. It will be at the top of the description. If you specifically use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus. You will also get extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can trade and get 40%, up to 40% lower trading fees. Also, you can trade up to a 500x leverage if you want to. So, if you're interested in leverage trading or just trading outright, you can do that with this platform. And this gives you the ability to demo trade. So if you don't want to risk your real money, you can demo trade and try and figure out your strategy before you even get started. One other thing that they're offering, they're also giving a giveaway, which is to 3 winners that sign up, deposit, and trade. You can win 500 USDT. So definitely check that out. And then one more thing, you register to receive 100 USDT coupons issued the next business day. So again, they're giving you a lot if you do sign up with this platform, but I've been using it for a year and it's been working for me. So feel free to check out the link. It will be at the top of the description. Now, my portfolio has had ups and downs, right? I know that you lose money all the time. I tend to lose money. I make sure that I accept anything that hits my stop losses, but I haven't had many that have reached those stop losses. If I have had any, it's been ones that I've taken at an extreme risk with a low amount of money, meaning that I'm taking like a 500x leverage with like $10 or $20 because I've already made money out of the deal. I don't ever take that right from the beginning. I start with lower leverages at a higher dollar amount so that I can see that grow over time. So here's a breakdown of the positions that I currently hold. If we go into my BTCC account, this is what you'll see. The chart, I want you to focus on that and the actual trading slot here. But if I scroll down and I look at where my account is, this is where I'm starting for this challenge or daily update. I'm sitting at $5,602.69. My P&L for what I'm holding is up by $3,088.40. If we look at the positions that I'm holding, I have VET at an 8x leverage. The open price is 2.4 cents. Then I have Quant at a 3x leverage. My open price is $103.72, and the current price is sitting at $101. So I am down on this by $22. My next position is Algo at a 10x leverage. At a 23-cent price, 23.4 cent price, it is currently at a 24.2 cent price. My next position is HBAR, which stands at a 23.6 cent price, but the current price is at a 23.9 cent price. I'm up by 2% or $26. You can see the difference in what I'm investing. A 10x leverage, I invested $100. A 2x leverage, I invested $1,000. Right? There's a difference between what you can have there and what you can potentially lose. OKB. OKB, I have it at a price of $95 while the current price is sitting at $199. I'm up $1,877 on my $578 investment there, up 324%. Terra Luna Classic. I have this at 0.000057, while the current price is 0.000059. I'm up 32% on that $257 investment. ADA, I have a 3x leverage with a $1,000 amount that I put in there. I'm currently up 47% or $486 on that. The current price is 76 cents. The price that I bought at is 76 cents. The current price is 88 cents. Auction. I bought at $11. It currently is at $9.75, down 34% on my $412 investment. Comp. I have a 2x leverage at $50.08. The current price is $44.58. I'm down 21% on that investment of a $500 investment. CAS. I have a 10x leverage on that at 6 cents. It currently is at 8.6 cents. I'm up 322% on my $58 investment. Noted that I did already take profit from this play, so if this does become a loss, I was able to reinvest some profit into other plays, and that's why I've been able to grow things. AVAX. I've also taken profit from this, but I am up by 683% on my $93 investment. I bought at 16 cents. It currently is at 28 cents. Jasmy Coin, I bought at 1.3 cents. It currently is at 1.4 cents, and I'm up 10% or $53 on my $553 investment. So throughout time, I've been able to gather more and more just by reinvesting money into different plays. Starting with some of these lower plays, I started with a XRP play, which ended up growing to over $1,000 worth of a gain. I took all of that profit and I was able to reinvest it into other plays, which then gave me more profit in the end. While I did have some higher risk plays of a 500x leverage with a $20 price point, you can see here that every single one of my positions has a stop loss. If I hit that stop loss, I accept the loss. I don't get butthurt about it. I don't get emotional. I don't trade emotionally. I just accept the loss and then move on to whatever other trades I have next, right? That's the part of investing you have to have, is the discipline there. So currently, on the investments that I currently own, I'm up by $3,136 and some odd cents, right? Give or take a few dollars as it continues to move. Balance is $5,660. And that's where we will, and that's my overall balance, right? The amount that's used is 5,235. So that's where I stand. I'm going to continue to give you guys updates on things, and maybe in the next updates, I'll make a spreadsheet to kind of break down what the difference is from where I was the first day to where I am today. Or the next day, day 2, day 3, day 4. But this is day 1 of updating you guys on my account. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to learn more about leverage trading, I have my Patreon down below where I have a bunch of videos talking about leverage trading, and we can make a lot more content as long as you guys want to see it and we have people to view it. So feel free to check it out. Link will be down there in the description. BTCC will be down there in the description. My Twitter will be down there in the description. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.